Ciao everyone and welcome to Equipment for Independence channel. I'm Gianluca, your OT equipment specialist, and in this video I will tell you what I think about the Genie Plus travel scooter. If I'm looking for a foldable scooter that can fit in the back of the car, this is one of the best options available in the market. By the way, I would suggest it only if you plan to use it on a flat surface, such as the floor of a shopping center, and for indoor use if you have enough space to maneuver it. 25 kilograms overall weight, 6 kilometers per hour speed, and 15 kilometers battery range. It comes with a small lithium battery that weighs only 2 kilograms. If you need to have a large battery range, you might consider to buy a spare battery. It comes with 4 solid casters, and I really love this scooter because of this. Automatic remote folding. I don't need to bend my back and or my knees to fold the scooter. If 25 kilograms are too heavy for you, don't worry, you can use a portable telescopic hoist. Hoist weighs about 10 kilograms. If 10 kilograms is too heavy, we will need to find another solution. That might be a car modification. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and arrivederci!